Hi everybody, Cherish Messy Painter here, and I'm very excited to try a new product. I don't always get new products right away when they come out, so this for me is kind of a big deal. This is Piggies After Dark. This is teal and it's Seductive is the name of it, and this one is blue and it's called Naughty. And they glow in the dark, so during the day they'll just maybe look a little bit like interference colors. So we'll see a little bit of a shimmer to them. They totally shimmer with the covers off. Just looking at the powders, you can see the shimmer. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it on the camera, but they're just so cool. I cannot wait to try these. I have two other colors mixed up. I have my Ore and Nebula mixed up right here. This was a custom color that I made about 2 weeks ago. That painting is really cool if you haven't seen those. And then I have Ore. And my base will be Mars Black by, Lamp Black by Amsterdam, mixed with regular American Floetrol. And then my cell activator will be Carbon Black by Golden, mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I'm really excited to try this swipe. I might swipe a couple times and there might not be that much negative space on the canvas, and I don't care. I just want to have fun playing with these. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna have fun making a mess. All right, I will wait and see what this looks like dry. The gold took over, but then when I added more in, I didn't want to eliminate the gold and have it look different, but kind of wish I eliminated the gold now. There's gold, well, it's not gold, it's ore. The ore is also in the nebula, so it's that green mixture that I have. So I think the gold has taken over, but we'll see what it looks like dry. And I'm gonna go get another canvas and play around some more with these because they're so cool. The dried results are coming up next. And what I didn't get to say was that the gold kind of takes over. So for the next time I do this, I'm probably not going to use gold, or maybe not as much. I have to remember that. I love adding gold, but boy, does it take over. So here comes the dried results now. Okay, I'm starting off the dried results a little bit in the dark so that I can show you how awesome the Piggies After Dark show up. So here is my light. Can you see that? I really hope you guys can see that on camera because that is really cool. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that glow. I mean, that is seriously glowing. So these are always hard to get on camera with how well they really look. But this is just really, really cool. I love this corner right here. That just really, really glows. I am having fun with these. I'm definitely experimenting some more. But what I love about this paint is that when it's not, when you don't have it glowing and you don't have the UV light on it, or it hasn't been glowing in the sun all day and then you look at it in the dark, is that there is a serious shimmer in that. That is amazing. So it doesn't look like it's glow in the dark paint. And that's always been my thing about glow in the dark paint. It looks like it. It has that greenish hue or an orange hue or whatever. But this stuff, nope, has a complete sparkle. There's an actual sparkle, especially in the Seductive one. It's amazing. I cannot wait to experiment more. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and there is a lot more to come on this with these new special pigments. I'm kind of in love with all of the TLPs, and I'm having fun even making custom colors. So you'll see some videos with that too. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next project. Go have fun. Make it a mess. Why not?